Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashville, we have the 2023 Hyundai Palisade XRT. XRT is kind of a appearance package. Dark chrome front grille. Do like those turn signals integrated into the mirrors there. That is a pretty darn cool idea. You have your locking and unlocking roof rails, XRT badging. This is, of course, the all-wheel drive version. Pretty darn cool. Looks like you have your second row controls here. So you can raise and lower those, push of a button. Third row is controlled with this strap here. Let's see, is there a way to bring this up? Oh, I need that strap up here a little bit, but stored underneath. Oh, you do have a cargo net here that, of course, you can, where do you put it? I think in here? Yeah, in there. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, here we go. So I got some plastic. Nice. That pop open the second row like so. You just push this button for third row access. That's that for, there we go. .8 liter NAV6, very nice and responsive infotainment system. Different drive modes here. Digital gauge cluster with no actual gauges, but you can tell it changes color with your drive modes. Sunroof, sun visors. Oh, just like the Pilot, you have mirror for the third row, but no sunglasses holder. It's kind of odd. Wireless charging. Sit there and push this for a cup holder. Let's go for a drive. Palisade has won tons of awards. Everybody says it is a bargain in the three-row SUV segment. I continue to agree. I think for the price point, it is a very, very tempting option. All the materials here are soft touch, except for lower part of the dash, but you're not really going to ever be touching that. This you might rest your hand on. So everything that you're going to touch on a day-to-day basis feels nice to the touch. You start digging, you can kind of run into some materials that aren't quite what you'd expect them to be, or what you'd want them to be, I should say, what you'd expect at this price point. Again, this isn't a limited or a calligraphy. This is kind of middle of the road trim, just kind of an appearance package. So I don't expect everything to be the nicest. If you want your top trim level, go and buy your top trim level. I think from the outside, this thing looks absolutely awesome. I do love this 3.8. It is such a good motor. Transmission's very smooth. It's actually, even in sport mode here, it does a good job at predicting what I really want it to. Doesn't make a lot of harsh shifts even when I do things that it wouldn't expect me to. Does have manual mode here on the paddles behind the wheel. Enter, you just hit one of the paddles. To exit, you just hit drive, or you actually might be able to just hold the upshift paddle. Yep, you can just hold the upshift paddle. I find myself a lot of times driving in smart mode. Kind of adapts to how you're driving. So it's gonna go between eco, it's gonna go between comfort and sport. To activate sport mode, I find you basically just jab the throttle and hold it for a couple seconds. It'll put you into sport mode. I don't know if harsh cornering is gonna trigger sport mode. I believe it's just off of throttle input. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.